Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn how to delete the Windows.old folder on your Windows operation system. This folder is created when we format your system to remove installed programs without losing the configuration, or when we update Windows. To begin, right-click on the Windows.old folder and select Properties. We can see that the folder size keeps increasing, taking up space on our hard drive. For example, the Windows.old folder is 30 period 4 GB in size, not including the recycled bin size. To remove this unnecessary weight, we will go to this PC and right-click to select Properties. Then we will choose the Free Up Space option. All files will be loaded so that we can select what we want to delete. Once the file has finished loading, we can see the size of each item. For example, the recycle bin may be 99 GB, but the Windows.old folder is not displayed. What shall we do in this case? We will navigate to the Clean Up System Files option and click on it. Then we will wait for the files to load again. The time it takes will depend on the speed of your computer. After the files have loaded again, we will see the option Previous Windows Installation, which corresponds to the Windows.old folder. We will select the files and click OK. Next, we will select Delete Files and the deletion process will begin. This process may take some time, so let's be patient. Once the file has been deleted, we will click OK. Now we can see that the folder no longer appears in red, indicating that we have freed up a significant amount of space on your hard drive. Although the folder is still visible, its weight has been removed. If we want to completely delete the folder, we will need to do it in administrator mode. However, the weight of the folder no longer exists. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.